What's up, guys? I'm Jason. This is the Freebird's Garage, and today we are installing a performance throttle tube on the FXR. Let's get into it. Alright guys, we are talking throttle tubes and install today. Now a little overview on the throttle tube we are installing today. It is by ODI. It is their Fusion Alloy throttle tube. It is in their words, the last throttle tube you'll ever need to buy. Now I'm hoping that's true, because what we want on this bike is a smooth, buttery feel all the way through when you're getting on the gas. Now right now when I ride it, it does give me it's pretty smooth, but there are some, it doesn't give you that full smooth. There's some choppiness a little bit in there, and now I've adjusted the cables. I've gone back and forth different aspects of it to get that throttle, and it doesn't seem to give me that full, smooth, buttery feel on that throttle that we're looking for. Now there are other performance throttles out there. One to be named is the Whiskey Throttle. A couple of different companies make them. I'm not looking for something that you can just hammer on it, boom, and then you're at full throttle. I want something that gives you the OEM, but what the OEM should have put on this bike and made it feel smooth all the way from the start to finish on that handle. So when you're either driving in traffic, or you're on the highway, or you're getting on it, it just gives you that, you can get that full smooth feel on this throttle. So we're gonna dive into that. Those are kind of the two differences. The reason why, and then there's some slack too that hopefully this gets rid of on these throttles that kind of shift back and forth. And that's about it. Let's get into the install and roll into it. All right, we're gonna disassemble the assembly, get it down to the bare tube, and get the new one on. Let's get to it. Back your cables all the way off so you can loosen them up. That will release the cables off your current tube. So you just slowly pull them back. Should be able to snag it right off. Just like that, the old one is off. We use our compressed air to yank that one off. All right, so there's the OEM one. Just a standard plastic tube. Pretty much it comes on all these bikes. And you can see straight shot through, open there, and on the other side. And this is what we're moving up to. This is the aluminized one. So it also has their signature snap rings on the inside. There's one in here, and there's one way down in there as well. They're a little oblong there, and that's what causes them to snap onto the bar itself to give you that smooth, consistent lock and roll on your throttle. So there's the differences there, side by side, from the back. So that's what you're getting when you move up to a aluminized style throttle body or plastic. So let's get it back together. cables right. Sure they're tight. Sure nothing sticks. Check right now, I think should be good. That's, man, that's nice. There's a little bit of slack, but way more or way less than what was previously there. But man, it just feels tight when you go around like that. That's a nice snap. So that's what we're looking for. Alright guys, super easy install as you can see. Slid right on, put it back together real smooth. All I gotta do is adjust the cables and get the final tune on that throttle cable, but she already feels real smooth over the original equipment that was on there. The other one had that, like I said, that sloppiness. Now I didn't get rid of the front to back slack as much as I wanted to. There's still that there, so I was kind of hoping that would disappear. But as far as the pullback, it feels way tighter. It's way smoother on there, and it was really neat when you throw that tube on there. You can actually hear the snap rings make almost like a suction close on that handlebar. So if you've just joined us, made your way through, I would greatly appreciate it if you could hit that like, tap the notification, leave a comment below, tell me what you think. And for those that have already subscribed, thank you. You guys rock. You guys will make this thing possible. And as always, stay free, and I will catch you later.